Today, I want to talk about the great holiday who Russia and almost all the countries from the Soviet Union and people around the world. We never forget everything and everyone. May God bless your souls and grant a peaceful and prosperous future for our nation. Children's education suffered during the war. 1 in 5 of the country's schools were damaged by bombing, and many others were requisitioned by the government. It's time to honor and remember our national heroes who sacrificed their lives to defend the country's sovereignty, independence, and religion. It's time to remember everyone and everything. This year, we celebrate 75 years of Victory Day. Let us celebrate this day with our family at home. Happy Victory Day!